Just actors?
Yeah, it's just actors, look. Here comes one of them. Ooh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Have a look at your photos at the end.
Okay.
Have a great time.
No, you're right. Let's wait a minute, let's give these people a minute or two. When we're going to get more effects.
The Hollows are with.
Okay. Hello, thief.
Boy, mind where you're going.
Don't worry, I'm harmless. Spiders.
Yay! Welcome to the Hollows.
Look at all these spiders. Hey, spiders.
Hey, you! Watch your step.
Hello, we all alright?
Hello, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. You ready to come down my mind? You
Hey.
are? You got your hard hat? Oh, you do, it's on the back of your coat. Look at that.
Really?
Nice fluffy hood. Now protect you. Didn't protect me though. Watch out for any holes. I fell down one. And now I'm grey. Who knew?
Oh dear.
You're halfway on the way there.
I am indeed, yes.
Grey trousers. You're alright. Loads of life in there. Loads of it. No one in.
Go on,
Not
thank
one
you.
in my mind.
Thank you very much. We're looking forward to it. This is not spooky, is it not? Oh. Oh. Poison apple. Well, there's some TNT down here. Come on in. Oh. Huh?
It's not even scary.
No, it's because you did a Chessington yesterday.
You're right. You look like you've seen a ghost, darling.
Oh.
Seen a ghost?
Oh.
No. Thank God, because I don't like ghosts, yeah? Let's get next door. You want to see my friend?
Come on, let's have a look at your friend. There you are.
Sure. You're
Yeah.
not going to scream, are you?
Come on, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Peekaboo.
Hey,
He had
look.
the wrong milk, yeah. He wasn't very nice.
Oh.
There we go. Want to see the greenhouse?
Yeah, go on. Yeah.
Scary around in the greenhouse, you know.
Yeah.
Careful, they flap back in your face, okay? Here we go. This is John as well. John is nice, we like John, yeah, but we don't feed John because that's what happened last time. Not very nice, yeah? Do you want some vegetables?
Oh, look, there's eyeballs here.
Look,
Oh.
they see you.
Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? Can I have some?
Yeah?
Oh, look at this toad as well.
Yeah, some of them are poisonous though, so try not to touch. Here we go.
Oh, thank you very
Lovely to
much.
see you, bye. See you
Thank
next
you
time.
very much, thank you.
Bye.
Oh, look at the pumpkin. Oh. Ah. Huh? You're good, I'm glad you...
Doing it in the dark because it's going to be scary.
Yeah. That's why I'm doing it now. So it's okay for you.
Because I want to be scary.
Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Steady tab. Look at all these pumpkins here. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, there's an hat here. Oh, that's spooky. Oh.
How are you?
Hello.
Are you enjoying yourself today?
We're really enjoying this house.
I'm your local gravedigger, and these were all my friends that have sadly departed.
Oh, that's sad.
I know. Are you feeling well?
I've got a little bit of tummy here.
God. Maybe it's time to sell you a little plot here. It could be time. You need to think of the future, sir.
Yeah.
This could be your final resting place. We can talk
What a
about
lovely spot.
it. Where are you from?
We've come up north at Burnley.
Burnley?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I've never been to Burnley, but that's very nice. I'm from Gravesend, anyway.
Oh, okay.
Well, please come and say hello to my friends. They're very lonely.
Okay.
My speciality is burying people alive.
Oh, lovely.
Sometimes at night you can hear them crying. But please say hello to all my friends as you pass them.
Will do. Thank you very much.
Chat for the dead end.
Oh dear, that doesn't sound
I'll
good.
see you in Burnley, Lancashire soon.
You will do. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah.
Do you go on holiday to Blackpool?
Sometimes,
Oh, I
yes.
thought so.
Thank you very
Enjoy
much.
your spooky day.
I will do. Thank you. Ooh. Oh.
My name is Doug Moses.
Ah. Wow. Ah. He weren't scary at all. Wow. Chessington's made you brave now, hasn't it? Eh? Can you see why I've done it now, though? Because I wanted you to understand they're not all as scary as that one at Chessington. Oh, look at this. Oh. Keep out. Ooh. Hey, look at that dead thing there. There's a pig's head. Ooh. Hello? Nobody in there today. Might get your head chopped off.
Yeah, I don't like that.
No.
It's safety now.
Oh, where? You're going the wrong way.
Our daffodils have come at the stop coming out.
You're going the wrong way. It's a scare attraction.
Oh, we
Yeah.
can go around the other way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's why that one's at the end. That's why.
Wow, it's nice down here, isn't it? You're going this way. Oh, look at the pond. We've had to put netting over to stop herring gulls from getting the fishes out of it. Ah. You can't really see any fishes, can you not?
No worries.
Hi guys, get your photo.